Hello everyone. This session is organized by Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation of Secondary Education Department. Due to COVID-19, welcome into online education. Myself, Sarika Andhre, Associate Teacher from DN Nagar Municipal Secondary Marathi School. Today we are going to learn the 9th standard English language. And our topic is 3.5 A Great Scientist. Let's see what we learned in a previous lecture. We already have done half chapter, means first to sixth stanza. As we know, there are so many scientists like Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, James Watson, Thomas Edison, etc. Great scientist. Whom we can call a great scientist? A great scientists are persevering and never deterred by the difficulties. Means they never give up to work till they get success. As you can see in this picture, the book Reignited is a very famous. And our chapter is taken from the introduction to Reignite by APJ Abdul Kalam and Srijan Pal Singh. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the most futuristic leader which is apparent through the Vision 2020, which he formulated, is one of the first thought that Srijan Pal Singh, author, speaker, and importantly former advisor in technology and policy. To the former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and his close aide share with us. He predicted its boom and digital evolution. Says the Lucknow born Singh, in the realm of electricity, defense, and space too. A lot of progress has been made, but as always, there is a flip side. So, as we all well known about the APJ Abdul Kalam, who was a former president of our India, he presented even Vision 2020 also. And you can see in this picture, beside the APJ Abdul Kalam, there is a Srijan Pal Singh, is an author, speaker, and advisor in a technology also. We learn about them. So let's come to the point. The great scientist, Michael Faraday, who is the central character of our chapter. In before section, we learn the first to sixth stanza. And just I recap some story what we learn. We learn how Faraday became a most distinguished scientist and inventor of a modern time. And he was born in a poverty-stricken family in a dirty London suburb. He was suffering in his childhood as a speech defect. Due to his poor family, his parents was unable to give him even a formal education also, or a good life as a good civilization, we can say, जसं एका नागरिकत्वाला चांगल्या फॅसिलिटीज लाईक अ लक्झरियस लाईफ, त्या पद्धतीचे त्याचे पॅरेंट्स त्याला देऊ शकले नव्हते. अँड दॅट वॉज द वी कॅन से हिज बॅड इम्पॅक्ट इन अ सोसायटी. समाजामध्ये वावरताना त्याला ती गोष्ट अपमानास्पद वाटत असे. अँड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट पुअर्टी, ॲट 13 ही वॉज डुईंग वर्क इन अ बुक बाइंडर शॉप. अँड इट changed his whole life. Actually, we can say that was the correct platform which changed his life, because in a day he was doing work and in a night read that books. After some days, he came in a contact with a Davy, who was the great scientist during that period. And after day by day, Davy became his master. That time, Faraday don't have any social status or a formal education. But destiny, we believe in destiny. Destiny always change everyone's life. It is a negative, positive, that is a different thing. And here is also destiny made a strange plan for him. Due to accident or a chemical exposure in a lab, the great scientist Davy unable to do experiment, and now he need a Faraday. Now Faraday was a secretary of his lab. He learned so many things with the help of Davy, and he observed the experiment also. So the student, we just recap the previous story which we learned in last session. Now we will learn the further story from the seventh stanza. If you have a books, you can see the page number 19, seventh stanza. First I will read, just listen carefully, then we will see the one by one. Even then, Davy did not have a much hope for Faraday. Then Faraday got another chance to prove himself. One day, Davy tried to recreate a famous electromagnetism experiment with a fellow chemist, William Wollstone, exploring why when an electric current is applied to a wire, it causes that wire to behave like a magnet. Obviously, the force were connected, but nobody had figured out how to make it happen continuously. Davy believed that if he could find out why it happened and controlled it, there could be a many practical application of the force, but he was unable to figure it out and was frustrated. He then teased Faraday, asking him to try his hand at after he was done cleaning the lab. The new words are here: इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिझम. इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिझम म्हणजे विद्युत प्रवाह किंवा विद्युत चुंबकत्व. फ्रस्ट्रेट म्हणजे निराशा किंवा हताश होणे. So even then Davy did not have much hope for Faraday. Then Faraday got another chance to prove himself. डेव्हीला कुठल्याही प्रकारची फॅराडे करून अपेक्षा किंवा होप्स नव्हत्या की हा काही करू शकतो. बट अ डेस्टिनी, ज्याला आपण एखादं नशीब म्हणू, फॅराडे गॉट अनदर चान्स टू प्रूव्ह हिमसेल्फ. स्वतःला एक सिद्ध करण्याची एक संधी त्याला उपलब्ध झालेली. ती कशा प्रकारे? वन डे डेव्ही ट्राय टू रिक्रिएट अ फेमस इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिझम एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ अ फेलो केमिस्ट विलियम वॉल्स्टन, exploring why when an electric current is applied to wire, it causes wire to behave like a magnet. एखाद्या तारेमध्ये विद्युत सोडल्यानंतर त्यामध्ये त्या विद्युत प्रवाहाचे गतीमध्ये कशी रूपांतर होते किंवा त्यामध्ये एका चुंबकाप्रमाणे कशी हालचाल होते याचा प्रयोग तो करत होता. Obviously the force were connected, but nobody had figured out how to make it happen continuously. Davy don't have any belief on Faraday, but because of this incident, he got another chance. When Davy was doing experiment with Williams about the electromagnetism, that time he was searching or figure out how can electricity run with the help of a wire. Like we are put on the light. आज आपल्यासाठी ह्या खूप सोप्या गोष्टी आहेत, परंतु त्या काळामध्ये जेव्हा तो प्रयोग चालू असताना इट इज अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग अँड he was unable to do that things. Davy believed that if he could not find out why it happened and controlled it, there could be a many practical application of the force, but he was unable to figure it out and was frustrated. एखाद्या विद्युत प्रवाहाचे सतत चालणाऱ्या गतिप्रवाहामध्ये रूपांतर करता जर आले तर व्यवहारामध्ये वापरण्यात येणाऱ्या बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी खूप सोयीस्कर होतील असं त्याला वाटत होतं. बट आफ्टर ट्राईंग अँड ट्राईंग, प्रयत्न करूनही ही वॉज अनसक्सेसफुल, ही फेल्युअर, आणि तो अयशस्वी ठरलेला आहे. बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट फेल्युअर ही वॉज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, आणि त्याला एक निराशा आलेली आहे, हताश झालेला आहे. He then teased Faraday, asking him to try his hand at his after he was done cleaning the lab. आपल्या लॅबचे स्वच्छतेचे काम पूर्ण झाल्याच्या नंतर तू हा प्रयोग करून पहा, अशी त्याने फॅराडेची चेष्टा किंवा उपासना किंवा एखाद्याला खिजवणे अशा पद्धतीने त्याला सांगितलेले आहे. बिकॉज ही वॉज alas or frustrated, and it is a good opportunity to Faraday to do something new. So the next stanza: within a few days Faraday solved the problem. In fact, he went further, and the result was the first induction motor, which converted electrical current into continuous mechanical motion. The induction motor spurred a revolution. रिव्हॉल्युशन म्हणजे ज्याला आपण क्रांती म्हणतो. फॅन्स, एअर कंडिशनिंग, sewing machine, photograph, power tools, car, and even train and aeroplane engine grow out of this simple device, which was born out of monkey directed at Faraday. The new words are induction motor. Induction motor म्हणजे प्रतिष्ठापना मोटर किंवा विद्युत परिवर्तन असंही त्याला म्हणतो. मॉंकी म्हणजे उपासना किंवा चेष्टा करणे एखाद्याची. So within a few days Faraday solved the problem. In fact, he went further, and the result was the first induction motor, which convert electrical current into continuous mechanical motion. Actually, Faraday born for a science, as we can say, because within a few time he solved the problem, and not stop there. He worked that continuously. The result, we can see the induction motor. Nowadays we are using and taking the benefit of his research. त्याने काहीच कालावधीमध्ये काय केलेला आहे, तो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह केलेला आहे किंवा तो प्रयोग यशस्वी केलेला आहे आणि विद्युत प्रवाहाचे रूपांतर विद्युत परिवर्तनामध्ये केलेले आहे. द इंडक्शन मोटर स्पूर्ड अ रिव्हॉल्युशन. आणि विद्युत परिवर्तन केल्यानंतरही त्याने ही जी मानवामध्ये एक क्रांती घडून आणलेली आहे. ॲज वी कॅन सी इन अ एन्शियंट पिरियड, प्राचीन काळामध्ये बघितलं आणि आधुनिक काळामध्ये बघितलं तर आपल्याला खूप फरक दिसतो. So friends, it is a real revolution of a human life, because humans' life totally changed after the Faraday's research. The fans, air condition, sewing machine, photograph, power tools, car, and even train and aeroplane engine grow out of these simple devices, which was born out of monkey direction and Faraday. याला असं म्हणता येईल की डेव्हीने केलेल्या चेष्टेमधून हे सर्व जन्माला आलेले आहे, किंवा त्याला जो त्याने अविश्वास दाखवलेला आहे त्या अविश्वासामधूनच त्याने हा यशस्वी प्रयोग केलेला आहे आणि आज आपण त्या सर्व गोष्टींचा उपभोग घेत आहोत. आपल्या घरामध्ये चालणारे पंखे असतील, वातानुकूल यंत्रे असतील, सोविंग मशीन असेल, शिवणकाम करणाऱ्या मशीन्स असतील, छायाचित्र असतील, विद्युत प्रवाहावर चालणारी वेगवेगळी यंत्रे असतील, कार असेल किंवा विमान असेल, वेगवेगळ्या इंजिनमुळे वेगवेगळ्या धावणाऱ्या गाड्या असतील, ह्या सर्वांचा उद्गाता हा फॅराडे आहे. We can compare ancient period human lifestyle as modern period human lifestyle, because in modern period we are using mobile, fridge, gadget, electrical things. We are fully depend on that, and all these things we are using, it is because of a Faraday. So it is a gift of Faraday to our society. The next para: Faraday became a celebrity scientist overnight. Nobody now cared about his social status or education. This young man had just created a revolution. One would think, as a teacher, Davy was happy at his pupil's achievement. But in the reality, he was jealous. People started telling him, Davy, that of all his discoveries, the best was Faraday himself. This made him even more jealous. An energy Davy gave, and an angry Davy gave Faraday an impossible task to keep him out of his way. He handed him a piece of a Bavarian glass which was used in the lenses in telescope and microscope and asked him to reverse engineer it. Bavarian glass was manufactured by a secret, complicated process, and they will know that with the equipment available in the lab, Faraday would never able to accomplish this task. The piece of glass become a significant thing in his life. The new words are achievement म्हणजे यश, डिस्कवरीज एखादी गोष्ट शोधून काढणे, नवीन गोष्ट शोधून काढणे, शोध लावणे, इक्विपमेंट उपकरणे जे लॅबमध्ये उपयोगात येतात. So the Faraday became a celebrity within a overnight, and nobody now care about his social status or education. This young man had just created a revolution. फॅराडे आता काही रात्रीमध्येच एक चांगला शास्त्रज्ञ झालेला आहे. त्याच्या औपचारिक शिक्षण किंवा समाजामध्ये त्याचे जे स्टेटस होते, स्थान होते, त्याबद्दल आता कुणीही शंका करत नाही किंवा कुणाला फरकही पडत नाही. कारण हा आता एक यंग मॅन हॅड जस्ट क्रिएटेड अ रिव्हॉल्युशन. एका तरुण मुलाने मानवामध्ये घडून आणलेली तंत्रज्ञानामधील क्रांती आहे. One would think as a teacher, Davy was happy as his pupil's achievement. But in reality, he was jealous. डेव्हीच्या विद्यार्थ्याने एवढी प्रगती केली यावर डेव्हीला खूप अभिमान वाटत असेल असे प्रत्येकाला वाटत होते. बट द रियालिटी वॉज डिफरंट. पण तशा प्रकारचे कुठलेही नव्हते. डेव्ही फील द जेलस. जेलस मीन्स मत्सर. डेव्हीला त्याच्याविषयी मत्सर फील होत होतं, त्याच्याविषयी घृणा फील होत होती. बिकॉज people started telling Davy that of all his discoveries, the best was Faraday himself. This made him even more jealous. आणि त्याच्या अप्रिशिएशनसाठी, त्याच्या स्तुतीसाठी लोक त्याला सांगत असत की तुमच्या जे सर्व संशोधन आहे त्यामध्ये खरं तर फॅराडे हे एक मोठं तुम्ही संशोधन केलेलं आहे. आणि हे ऐकल्याच्या नंतर ही फील मोर जेलस दॅन बिफोर. So, because of that thing, he tried to give him a difficult work also. And angry Davy gave Faraday an impossible task to keep him out of his way. आणि रागावलेल्या देवीला देवी काय करत असे की एक कठीण अशक्यप्राय असे काम त्याला देण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असे. He handed him a piece of a Bavarian glass which was used in the lenses in telescope and the microscope and asked him to reverse engineer it. दुर्बिणीमध्ये वापरण्यात येणाऱ्या काचेचा तुकडा किंवा एखाद्या सूक्ष्म यंत्रामध्ये जो काचेचा तुकडा वापरण्यात येतो त्याला विरुद्ध दिशेने कार्य करण्यासाठी त्याने एक प्रयोग दिलेला आहे. अँड शी accepted also. Faraday accepted also. Bavarian glass was manufactured by a secret complicated process and Davy know that with the equipment available in the lab, Faraday would never be able to accomplish that task. खरं तर तो जो ग्लास आहे तो स्वतःच एक गुंतागुंतीची प्रक्रिया आहे आणि प्रयोगशाळेमध्ये जी उपकरणे उपलब्ध आहेत त्यातून हा प्रयोग यशस्वीपणे करणे इट इज अ impossible thing. That thing know very well the Davy and that's why he gave that experiment to Faraday. This piece of a glass become a significant thing in his life. आणि तो जो काचेचा तुकडा आहे खरं तर फॅराडेच्या आयुष्यातला खूप महत्वपूर्ण असा ग्लास आहे असं आपल्याला म्हणता येईल. In all over stanza we understood or we learn Faraday is a great scientist within overnight and society appreciate him for his work rather than Davy. He was doing well work than Davy, so Davy feel jealous and he don't want to Faraday do work with him. So he always try to give him a difficult work like a Bavarian glass experiment. Davy know it is impossible because of a lack of equipment in his lab. He thought if Faraday unable to do that work, people will call him a failure person. He done all these things because of only jealousy. But that glass changed the life of a Faraday's. We will see in a next stanza. Faraday had a never give up attitude and she respected Davy. So he accepted the assignment despite knowing that it would be a very difficult. He toiled for 4 years with no help from Davy and as expected failed. Faraday never learned the secret and his remained his first failure as a scientist. He reminded himself of this difficult time. He kept a single glass brick on his shelf as a souvenir. This would inspire him during the difficult time. The new words are here. टॉईल म्हणजे काय परिश्रम घेणे चिकाटीने काम करणे ब्रिक म्हणजे वीट सुवियर म्हणजे स्मरणिका किंवा आठवणीतली एखादी गोष्ट So the Faraday had a never give up attitude and he respect Davy. So he accepted all the assignment given by Davy. Despite knowing that it would be a very difficult, he toiled 4 years with no help of Davy and as expected he failed. Actually, Faraday is a very positive and hopeful person. He never give up in his life and continuously doing work. Whenever he don't get a success, he never think about the trials and the time, how much time he is spending in one experiment. He always doing continuously. He accepted all the difficulties and impossible work given by Davy. The reason behind that, he believed him as well as respect also him. But this time he failed. He tried 4 years that experiment, but he failed. Faraday never learned the secret and his first failure as a scientist. To remind himself of these difficult times, he kept a single glass brick on his shelf as a souvenir. This would inspire to him during difficult times. एक शास्त्रज्ञ म्हणून त्याला हे जे आलेलं अपयश आहे ते त्याने स्वतः पचवलेलं आहे आणि तिथे हताश न होता त्याने तो जो काचेचा तुकडा आहे तो आपल्या एका शेल्फ मध्ये काय केलेला आहे ठेवलेला आहे की व्हेन एव्हर ही विल सी दॅट पर्टिक्युलर ब्रिक काचेची जे वीट आहे ती पाहिल्याच्या नंतर ही विल बी इन्स्पायर. But he did not frustrate. He put that glass in his for his reminder, and it always inspire him whenever he feel low. जेव्हा जेव्हा त्याला स्वतः कमी वाटायचं किंवा कठीण काळ येत असे तेव्हा तो त्या काचेच्या विटेकडे बघत असो आणि तो काळ कसा त्याने काढलेला आहे अँड ही विल बी इन्स्पायर बाय दॅट इन्सिडेंट आणि त्या अनुभवातून तो परत इन्स्पायर होत असतो. बघा की आपल्याला आलेल्या अपयशातून सुद्धा आपण कशा पद्धतीने प्रेरणा घेऊ शकतो किंवा उत्तेजित होऊ शकतो एखाद्या कार्याप्रती आपण कशा प्रकारे चांगल्या दृष्टिकोनातून म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह ऍटिट्यूड कसा ठेवून काम करू शकतो हे आपल्याला फॅराडे कडून शिकण्यासारखे आहे. म्हणजे त्याने आपल्याला जे अपयश आहे त्यालाच आपलं इन्स्पिरेशनचं एक कारण बनवलेलं आहे. द नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. In 1829, Davy died and Faraday succeeded him as a head of the laboratory. He was free to pursue whatever he liked and he made another revolutionary discovery. He noticed that if he moved a magnet, it could be produce electrical current. Thus, he could now convert motion into electricity. This is how the electrical generator was born. Sometime still used today to generate all the kind of power like dynamos and other devices. So the new words are here. Pursue म्हणजे पाठपुरावा करणे. प्रोड्यूस म्हणजे उत्पादन किंवा उत्पन्न करणे. रिव्हॉल्युशनरी क्रांतिकारक, रिव्हॉल्युशन म्हणजे काय, क्रांती घडवणे, आणि रिव्हॉल्युशनरी म्हणजे क्रांतिकारक. डायनामस म्हणजे चलनशक्ती विषयक. सो in 1829 Davy died and Faraday succeeded him as head of the laboratory. He was free to pursue whatever he liked, and he made another revolutionary discovery. Now, actually, he is the owner of that lab, or we can say head of that lab, in charge. He can do any experiment because he don't need to give anyone permission for the work. Before, he was under the Davy. So Davy give him a work and he is doing. There is no scope for his own talent or interest. But the situation changed after succeed him as a head of a lab. He noticed that he moved a magnet, it could produce electrical current, thus he could now convert motion into electricity. This is how the electrical generator was born, something still used today to generate all kind of power like dynamos and other devices. He noticed that he move a magnet. जर एखादं चुंबक जर हलवलं किंवा त्याची हालचाल केली, it could produce a electrical current. त्याच्यातून विद्युत प्रवाहाची निर्मिती होऊ शकते. Thus he could now convert motion into electricity. आणि त्याचे गतिशील विद्युत प्रवाहामध्ये रूपांतर करण्याचा प्रयोग त्याने चालू केला आहे. This is how the electrical generator was born, and nowadays we are using the electrical generator. It is producing the electricity. It is the gift of a Faraday. That time he noticed when magnet move, it produced the electrical current, and found how can we just make an electrical generator. Now generator is playing an essential role in our daily lifestyle. त्यामुळे आज आपल्याला खूप भौतिक सुविधा मिळत आहेत, किंवा त्यामुळे आपल्या व्यवहारामध्ये खूप वेळेची बचत होत आहे, किंवा आपण आधुनिकीकरण जे म्हणतो, आधुनिकी काळामध्ये आपण यांत्रिकीकरण किंवा विद्युतच्या उपयोगाने, जसं मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की गॅजेट्स असेल, पर्टिक्युलर प्रत्येक गोष्ट जी आहे ती आज आपण ह्या इलेक्ट्रिकल थिंग्समुळे गतिशील झालेली आहे किंवा आपली प्रगती झालेली आहे. So the next stanza, Faraday was now a legend. In 1840, he developed the memory loss, which continued for the rest of his life, but the disease did not stop him. He persevered, starting a complicated experiment to prove that light was closely related to electricity and magnetism. A novel thought in those times. So, destiny always play with a Faraday. I already told you. From his childhood, he suffered lots of things, but never frustrated. As it is, in 1840, he loses his memory for his rest of life. आपली जी मेमरी, स्मृती जी असते ती स्मृती त्याची जात आहे. त्याच्या पूर्ण आयुष्यभरासाठी त्याची हळूहळू स्मृती कमी झालेली आहे. हा जो डिसीज आहे हा त्याला झालेला आहे. He was suffering memory loss, but still did not he did not stop the experiment on, and he continually doing the work. He was suffering the disease as well as he was doing the experiment also. So he started complicated experiment to prove the light was closely related to electricity and magnetism. आणि पूर्वीपेक्षाही अधिक गुंतागुंतीचे प्रयोग त्याने करणे चालू केलेले आहे. अँड ही प्रूव्ह, त्याने सिद्ध केलेले आहे द रिलेशन बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अँड मॅग्नेटिझम अँड अ लाईट. वीज आणि चुंबक यांचे प्रकाशाशी कसे नाते आहे हे प्रूव्ह करून दाखवलेले आहे. इट इज अ व्हेरी कॉमन थिंग नाउ डेज, बट during that period it is a research. or a novel thought in those times. The new words are here. Complicated म्हणजे ज्याला क्लिष्ट म्हणतो. मॅग्नेटिझम म्हणजे चुंबक. Remember that piece of a Bavarian glass Faraday had kept on his shelf. He was determined to convert the remainder of his first major failure to an instrument of a great success. He used the same glass now to show that in the presence of the magnet, light could be isolated into a single wave rather than a spreading out randomly in all directions. A concept called polarization. The new words are here. Determined म्हणजे दृढ किंवा निश्चयी. Instrument म्हणजे साधन. Isolated म्हणजे विलग म्हणजे वेगळे करणे. So remember that the piece of a Bavarian glass Faraday had kept on his shelf. जी काचेची जी वीट आहे त्याने ती आपल्या सेल्फ मध्ये ठेवलेली होती. He was determined म्हणजे निश्चय करणे, दृढ निश्चय करणे मनामध्ये. He was determined to convert the remainder of his first major failure to an instrument of a great success. आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा आलेल्या अपयशालाच आपल्या आयुष्यातले आपण चांगले यश बनवू किंवा यशाचे कारण बनवू असा त्याने दृढ निश्चय केलेला होता. दॅट्स वाय ही ऑलवेज सीइंग दॅट अ ग्लास. आणि त्यामुळेच तो नेहमी त्या काचेकडे बघत असे की त्याच्यातून त्याला यश मिळवायचे आहे किंवा यशासाठी तो काच एक महत्वपूर्ण साधन असेल. अँड दिस थिंग इज हॅपन. आणि तसेच घडले आहे. ही यूज द सेम ग्लास नाव टू शो दॅट इन द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ द मॅग्नेट, light could be isolated in the single wave rather than a spreading out randomly in the all direction, a concept called as a polarization. It is actually scientific concept ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये ध्रुवीकरण असं म्हणतो. It is involvement of a light radiation and or magnetism moving in a specific direction. जसं एखादं चुंबक असेल आणि ज्याला आपण एका प्रकाश जो आहे तो प्रकाश जर चहूबाजूने पडत असेल तर त्याला एका प्रवाहामध्ये आणण्याची जी प्रक्रिया असते त्याला पोलरायझेशन असं आपण संबोधतो. तर हा प्रयोग त्याने यशस्वीरित्या केलेला आहे आणि या प्रयोगासाठी जो काचेचा ग्लास वापरलेला आहे दॅट वॉज द बेवेरियन ग्लास. when he was a failure he put that a glass. आणि तोच अपयश आलेला जो ग्लास आहे त्याने ठेवलेला आहे आणि त्याच ग्लासाच्या किंवा काचेच्या मदतीने त्याने हा प्रयोग सिद्ध केलेला आहे. द बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अ पॉइंटर वी आर युझिंग द टीचिंग पॉइंटर अँड द गन पॉइंटर ऑल्सो. एका दिशेमध्ये प्रकाश असतो. सो दिस थिंग इज ऑल्सो हॅपन बिकॉज ऑफ अ फॅराडे. The next stanza. He then took the age-old experiment of a sprinkling iron filling on a sheet of a paper near a magnet, making circular patterns. He went on to prove that tense patterns were not a property of the iron filling. In fact, they were due to the invisible magnetic field that filled the empty space around the magnet and hence disturbed the feeling. This is where his lack of formal education went against him. Faraday did not know much about the advanced mathematics, so he just copied the iron filling pattern with his hand. He was unable to explain them in the form of a mathematical equations. He made hundreds of such a drawing, but without equation, they were not accepted. So the new words are here. Experiment म्हणजे काय प्रयोग. स्प्रिंग म्हणजे शिंपडा. ऍडव्हान्स म्हणजे प्रगतशील किंवा प्रगत. इक्वेशन समीकरणे, गणितामध्ये जे आपण समीकरणे बघतो. So after that then he took the old experiment of sprinkling iron filling on the sheet of paper near a magnet, making circular pattern. He went on to prove that these patterns were not a property of the iron filling. In fact, they were due to the invisible magnet field that filled the empty space around the magnet and hence the disturb the feelings. Actually, it was a old experiment, piece of paper, iron and magnet. He spread the sprinkling iron filling and piece of a papers around the magnet, and it automatically stick the magnet and fill the empty space. कागदाचे काही बारीक केलेले तुकडे आणि त्यावर लोखंडाचा काही बुग्गा करून त्याने स्प्रेड केलेला आहे आणि बाजूला मॅग्नेट ठेवलेले आहे अँड इट्स ऑटोमॅटिकली स्टिक टू द मॅग्नेट. आणि लोखंडाचा जे बारीक बारीक बुग्गा आहे तो चुंबकाला चिटकलेला आहे. हा त्याच्यासाठी हा प्रयोग नवीन असल्याने त्याच्या हे लक्षात आलं की लोखंडामध्ये गुणधर्म नाहीयेत, खरं तर चुंबकामध्ये जे अदृश्य गुणधर्म आहेत त्यामुळे चुंबकाभोवती जी रिकामी जागा आहे ती लोखंडाचा जो भुगा आहे त्यांनी काय झालेली आहे, अस्तव्यस्त झालेली आहे. अशा प्रकारे त्याला ते सिद्ध करायचे होते. सो दिस इज वेअर हिज लॅक ऑफ फॉर्मल एज्युकेशन वेंट अगेन्स्ट हिम. ही नो द कन्सेप्ट, त्याला ती कन्सेप्ट कळालेली आहे, परंतु ही डोंट हॅव अ फॉर्मल एज्युकेशन. औपचारिक जे शिक्षण आहे ते त्याचं इथे कुठेतरी कमी पडलेलं आहे. फॅराडे डिड नॉट नो मच अबाउट द ऍडव्हान्स मॅथमॅटिक्स. प्रगत जे गणित आहे त्याबद्दल फार कमी ज्ञान त्याला आहे. सो ही जस्ट कॉपी द आयर्न फिलिंग पॅटर्न विथ हिज हँड अँड ही वॉज अनेबल टू एक्सप्लेन देम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ मॅथमॅटिकल इक्वेशन. प्रयोग तो चांगल्या प्रकारे करत असे, परंतु त्याला गणितीय समीकरणामध्ये मांडणे कठीण जात होते किंवा ते अशक्य होत होते ड्यू टू द फॉर्मल एज्युकेशन अँड लॅक ऑफ नॉलेज ऑफ मॅथमॅटिक्स. He made hundreds of such a drawing but without equations. He tried again and again, but he was failed. He was unable to do that things because who will accept that? They were not accepted. So student, formal education is a magic stick of life because it can change our life, and that thing realized the great scientist Faraday. Due to lack of formal education, he was unable to copy that formula into equation because he didn't learn the mathematics. He made 100 times drawing, but without equation it will be not accepted. आणि ते ऍक्सेप्ट होणं शक्य नव्हतं. म्हणून आपल्याला शाळेत येऊन शिक्षण घेणं किती गरजेचं आहे हे लक्षात घ्या. कुठल्याही क्षेत्रामध्ये गेल्याच्या नंतर जे बेसिक नॉलेज आहे ते आपल्याला असणं गरजेचं असतं. सो द नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. Fortune favored the brave Faraday once again. When he met James Maxwell, a wealthy educated physicist well versed in mathematics, he was willing to work with Faraday. It was Maxwell who translated Faraday's idea into a set of equations that are now called Maxwell equations. Their combination work has helped us in many ways. Electronics and communication systems today are designed around their discoveries. Someday, we might even able to communicate with aliens across different galaxies using the product of these discoveries. The new words are here, aliens म्हणजे परग्रही म्हणतो, इतर ग्रहावर राहणारे लोक. प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे काय, उत्पादन. So I already told you destiny always changed the life of a Faraday, and due to destiny he met James Maxwell. In passage we can see he met the James Maxwell who is a wealthy educated and physicist, जो भौतिक शास्त्रज्ञ आणि गणिताचा विद्वान आहे. अशा मॅक्सवेलला आता त्याची भेट झालेली आहे. And Maxwell is an expert in math. Maxwell believed in Faraday and he was eagerly waiting to work with him. आणि त्याला फॅराडे सोबत काम करण्याची इच्छा सुद्धा आहे. It was Maxwell who translated Faraday's ideas into a set of equations that are now called the Maxwell's equations. आणि फॅराडेच्या ज्या कल्पना आहेत, कन्सेप्ट आहेत, त्या सर्व गणितीय समीकरणामध्ये मांडण्याचं काम मॅक्सवेलने केलेलं आहे, ज्या की गणितामध्ये आज तुम्ही मॅक्सवेलची समीकरणे म्हणून अभ्यासता. द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ सायंटिस्ट, त्या दोघांचंही जे कॉम्बिनेशन आहे, दोघांनी मिळून जे काम केलेलं आहे, इट इज व्हेरी हेल्पफुल टू अस. आज ते आपल्याला खूप उपयोगी आहे. And even electronic and communication system today are designed around their discovery. Someday we meet to aliens also. आणि त्यांनी जे संशोधन केलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे कदाचित परग्रहावर जे राहणारे एलियन्स आहेत, कदाचित आपण त्यांच्याशी सुद्धा संपर्क करू शकतो. सो इन अ लास्ट लाईन, someday we might even be able to communicate with aliens across different galaxies. गॅलेक्सीज म्हणजे काय? आकाशगंगा. युझिंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस डिस्कवरीज, म्हणजे इतर परग्रहावर राहणाऱ्या एलियन्स जे आहेत त्यांच्याशी सुद्धा संपर्क करण्यासाठी या संशोधनाचा आपल्याला फायदा होऊ शकतो. इन द लास्ट स्टांजा, Faraday's life started with difficulties, but as a great scientist, he met each difficulty with a perseverance and conviction. He was given impossible tasks, which he undertook as challenges and opportunities. He epitomized what the Walt Disney character Pinocchio said, "When you wish upon a star, it doesn't matter who you are." So in this last stanza, it is actually very inspirational stanza, because as we saw, Faraday always fight for the small things. So before that we will see the new words. Perseverance म्हणजे चिकाटी, ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, एकनिष्ठपणे काम करणे. कन्व्हिक्शन म्हणजे खात्री असणे. इपिटोमाइज म्हणजे प्रतीक, एखाद्या गोष्टीचं आपण म्हणतो हे एक त्या गोष्टीचे प्रतीक आहे, त्याप्रमाणे. सो हिअर इज द फॅराडेज लाईफ इज अ व्हेरी difficulties in his life. There are so many difficulties and he fight with that. Even difficulties never leave him, असेही म्हणता येईल की समस्यांनी त्याला कधीच सोडलं नाही. And he accepted all the opportunities. He did hard work. He accepted all the challenges and solved that problems. Because of that thing, he is a great scientist. He never give up. त्याने कधीही हार मानलेली नाही. प्रत्येक आलेली जी समस्या आहे, प्रत्येक त्याला जे काम दिलेलं आहे, त्याने ते एक संधी म्हणून, he never see the difficulties as a difficulties. एखाद्या समस्येकडे समस्या म्हणून न बघता, he always accept that thing as a challenges, as a opportunities. मला मिळालेली ही एक खूप मोठी संधी आहे, म्हणून त्याने त्या गोष्टी ऍक्सेप्ट केलेल्या आहेत. अँड बिकॉज ऑफ हिज हार्ड वर्क, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कंटिन्युअस वर्क, अँड बिकॉज ऑफ ही नेव्हर गिव्ह अप, हिज अ पॉझिटिव्ह ॲटिट्यूड, ऑल दोज थिंग्स ही मेक हिमसेल्फ, आणि त्याने स्वतःला बनवलेले आहे. अँड ही इज now a well-known great scientist. So here the last two or one line is a more important. When you wish upon a star, it doesn't matter who you are. जेव्हा तुम्ही एखादे स्वप्न बाळगता किंवा एखाद्या ताऱ्याचे स्वप्न बाळगता, त्यावेळेस तुम्ही कोण आहेत हे कधीच महत्वाचे नसते. तुमची तशी इच्छाशक्ती असली पाहिजे. इट इज अ taken from the character of Pinocchio. So actually here we finish this chapter, and I think it is a very interesting, knowledgeable and inspiring story to us. In last two session we have done this chapter. I hope all of you understood and inspired from the great scientist Faraday. So here is some homework for you. Find out more about the following sentences. Find out more sentences regarding the scientists with the help of internet. तुम्ही जे इंटरनेट असेल, आपण आज हे क्लास घेत आहोत, ऑनलाईन वापर करत आहोत, तुम्ही त्याच्याशी खूप अवेअर झालेले आहेत. सो मायकेल फॅराडे असेल किंवा डेव्ही असेल, थॉमस एडिसन असेल, जेम्स मॅक्सवेल असेल, to find out the more information, more pics, and just noted in your notebook, तुमच्या वहीमध्ये लिहून काढा. त्यांच्याविषयी यूट्यूबला काही छान व्हिडिओ आहेत ते सुद्धा तुम्ही बघा आणि एक छान तुमची एक नोट तयार करा. सो वी शुड स्टॉप हिअर. थँक यू सो मच.